If you're looking for a quick way to energize your body and mind, then this class is for you. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see what is Bhastrika Pranayama, what are its benefits, who should avoid it, how to do it, and how to progress with it. Bhastrika Pranayama, or it's also called as Bellows Breath, is a powerful dynamic breathing technique in yoga. Bhastrika translates to bellows, which is an equipment which is used to stoke the fire. Likewise, the forceful inhalation and exhalation that we do in this practice helps to energize the body and mind. Now, coming to the benefits of doing this practice, the first thing is it enhances lung capacity. What it simply means is the lung works to its full potential when you do this practice. This translates to the lung working to its full capacity to take in oxygen and throw out carbon dioxide. Now, automatically, the second benefit is the organs function better because now the blood is carrying more oxygen to the organs and other tissues in your body. The third benefit is it's energizing because now there is more oxygen flowing all through our body. So automatically, we feel more energized. It's also cleansing because it's throwing away all the carbon dioxide and toxins from the body. So this is your fourth benefit. Fifth is it helps to improve focus and concentration, which is great for students as well as all of us. Actually, we have such a short attention span. So because there is more blood flowing through the brain, we learn better, we absorb better, we retain better. It also improves mental clarity, so helps us make better decisions on a day-to-day basis. Now coming to how to do the practice. In this practice, we are going to breathe in through our nose and out through our nose. And this inhalation, exhalation is going to happen forcefully. And our mouth stays closed. The next thing to remember is the movement in our chest and our abdomen. As we breathe in, this may be hard initially. We are focusing on pushing the chest out. As we breathe out, so basically, when we spoke about the bellow, how it compresses and it releases, exactly the same way we are doing it. Our rib cage trying to press and expand. The third thing here is how we are going to be seated. You can sit in Sukhasana. Those of you who can sit in Vajrasana, especially if you're a beginner, start with Sukhasana. Key thing to remember is to keep the back straight, chin parallel, eyes closed. Once you're comfortable sitting in Sukhasana, you can sit in Vajrasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana, Siddhayoniasana. Whichever of the meditative poses works for you, you can do that. What happens to the hand position? One option is to sit in Chin Mudra. The other is to keep your hands next to your shoulders. Thumb here. Don't bring it in front. Automatically your chest opens up. The tendency for you to slouch also is thing. So there's enough, the tendency, what is the thing? It prevents you from slouching. And the other thing is your lungs have enough space to expand and collapse. And if you have shoulder pain, a frozen shoulder, or any issues here up in this region and it's hard for you to reach your hands down, then I suggest that you sit in Chin Mudra, where your thumb and index finger touch, other three fingers stretched out. For today's practice, we're going to keep our hands in line with our shoulder. And now, the first step, second step, third step, we're going to combine. Hold, inhale, exhale. You can just collapse. You're not making a tight fist. So this is one stroke. We're going to do 10 times, 10 strokes, and that equals to 1 round. Now that way, we will do 3 rounds. So this is a slow pace. So now we'll do 1 round of 10 strokes and we can do it together. Hands stay out. We're going to do this slowly. Inhale. Drop, close your eyes. Just observe what's happening. Was your shoulder stiff? Were you holding your jaw tight? Are you feeling dizzy? So one is if your shoulders feel very stiff, take a deep breath and take it towards your ears and slowly drop it down your shoulders. Stay there. The movement is just happening. Here. Shoulder is not going up. Second thing, keep a smile on your face. That automatically helps you relax your jaw. If you're feeling dizzy, just come down to lying on the mat. Generally what happens is we're not doing the full inhalation and full exhalation. That's where you may feel a little dizzy, but with practice, it's going to get better. Next round. Breath in. Completely breathe out. One more. Relax. We also may feel some amount of sensation, a different kind of sensation on the lining of our nose, the inside of our nose. Just observe. Breathe in, breathe out. One more breath in. Completely breathe out. So now we're going to see how to progress with the practice. Once you're comfortable doing 1 round of 10, you can progress to 2 rounds of 10, 3 rounds of 10 in slow pace. Next, we're going to move into medium pace. And we're going to do 15 strokes. Inhale. Completely breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. Once you're comfortable doing 15 strokes, you can move to 2 rounds of 15, 3 rounds of 15. I'm not showing you that here. Now the next is a quick pace. We're going to do 20 strokes. Hands come out. Nice alignment in your spine, jaw parallel, hands stretched out, here up. Drop your hands down. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. See if you're feeling dizzy. Observe. Breathe in. Breathe out. It may take you anywhere between 2 months to 6 months for you to progress. So listen to your body. Progress very slowly. It's not important how much you pack into a few minutes of your practice. What is important is the quality that you do, how you sit. Are you able to sit with your back straight for long? Very important to be aware of that first. And just able to do the strokes without you feeling dizzy, feeling any other sensation. And then listen to your body and very slowly progress. So the quality is important and not the quantity. You're still going to get the same benefit. There are many other ways in which you can progress with your Bhastrika Pranayama practice. I'll take that up in another video. Thank you so much for being here, spending your time with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this video was valuable to you, please like and share. It really helps my channel grow. And if you think you want to know about any other pranayama practice or anything related to yoga, please ask your questions in the comments below. Namaste.